What's up, guys? Excalibur here. Just wanted to do a quick video. Haven't done one in a bit, so just want to do a quick one while I got my son to sleep. Um, just a simple melt up from overall, over the Sunday and Monday overnight sessions. Um, Pretty strong move off the gate. NQ was just super strong. Unfortunately, I took the SPY put, kind of stepping in front of the train, and it happens. Step in front of the train. Didn't really see much with that SPY put. What I was watching was this daily. We had just this daily demand right here. And then also I was watching a 1 hour at open. Kind of right here we had, that push overnight and then a sell off. Usually most of the times we like to push up to it and continue to sell off. So I was watching this, I had this zone right here. This 1 hour around 3743 had this nice we had a rally, base, drop, going into open we dropped. Didn't really see any resistance on it. You should have definitely, well, we caught a little resistance here, but the next 1 minute candle just shot up. Definitely should have cut it when it broke over that. But we're all, that daily did line up perfectly with the other one. Just tech was really strong. With Tesla being super strong too. I think this was just kind of like the Powell run up. We have a lot of Fed speakers. It seems like they're kind of just, Powell pump before his speech where market may dump. The main look I was looking at going into pre-market, I wanted this 3708 retest. We just never got it at after open. I would like, this is the path I showed. I want to see it, go down here, like I'll go up like that. You have that resistance here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. The 20th, so we broke overnight yesterday. But they accepted these prices and moved up pretty strong. Seems like we're selling off pretty heavy overnight. Not the biggest deal unless you're trading futures, which I am trading futures right now. Get some good shorts in. But that's what I was looking at there. NQ, if we go to our 4 hour, we have this 4 hour supply. That's where we really should have looked into go shorts. Really didn't, we just had a strong sell off that we were going to recover back with volume. And you could tell, what did we do? We recovered that imbalance. That's our price imbalance right here. Turn that off. From this sell off, it's just all selling pressure. Eventually we slowly come back up, fills it almost perfectly, and then we're continuing to sell off again, it seems like. But going in tomorrow with a level head. VIX was definitely very strange. We just stood around the same area. We just stayed in the 30s, barely broke underneath, and didn't really see a strong move. Some other stocks, Apple, super strong out of the gate. First 10-minute candle straight sideways, can't do much here. AMD, up down sideways. Facebook was the only thing that actually hit a supply. That 168, 169 level I had pre-market. Pretty strong sell-off there. We had that 4 hour supply right here. You can tell, nice sell-off. So I'm definitely watching that sell-off again if we want to recover. Try to find a decent spot where we had that sell-off and see what we could do there. Microsoft, strong move out of the gate, just sideways. If you didn't catch that main move, it was just completely boring today. NVIDIA, we had a nice put. We filled that gap pretty well, but we had a kind of higher time frame right there, 3 hour, drop, base, drop right here with a gap down. Definitely going to be strong. You can tell we had a nice move down. If we would have timed that a little bit perfect, we would have been, 3%. Would have been a great, great move there. And then Tesla was just super, super strong. I really wanted Tesla to come back down here. But, off the bat, just super, super strong. Just broke through 686, no problem. And you can sell 729, 1, 2, 3. I thought we were going to break through that 729 because we're just kind of making a nice ascending triangle. Where we just go touch it, come back down, touch it. And I thought we'd break through there, but we didn't. End of the day, kind of sold off. We're still selling off. So going into tomorrow, we got Powell. The next 2 days, we have Canada's CPI, which I think is 8:30, maybe 8:30 or 10 a.m. Eastern. I tried doing the time zone math. It was saying 8:30, but I thought most of their data comes out at 10, and it's expected to raise, which is going to be huge. Definitely keep that on watch. And then we have Powell, right here, Wednesday. Powell testifies before Senate, at 10. So definitely not going to get into anything early. We'll see if we have like a little run up. See if Powell, does the same thing, runs the market up and then dumps it the next day. And then he talks again on Thursday at 10 a.m. Same thing. The House, one Senate, one's the House. We have Harkin, Barkin, Evans, um, jobless claims. We just have a lot of crazy stuff going on daily. University of Michigan sentiment on Friday, so definitely going to be another crazy week. Markets just waits for this data to see, if we're heading into a recession or not. But we are continuing to sell off. I shorted overnight. I shorted NQ until it hit 11.5. And had that little bounce there. Definitely should have held. But hopefully we have a little better day tomorrow. Price action was crazy. Definitely strange today. But y'all have a great rest of your Tuesday. Just keep in back of your mind the long weekends we might have volume come in at open. A lot of volume coming in. You got to keep that in the back of your mind for next time where we have a 3-day weekend. Maybe at open we're gonna have some volume coming in. It's gonna be definitely a strong move, and then a consolidation. So look at that going forward on a 3-day weekend. But y'all have a great rest of your day, and I'll be up at 8 a.m. on our pre-market.